Today we're looking at the 2024 GMC Savana van in a white exterior. Let's go check it out. Inside you have your gorgeous pewter interior cloth seats. Again, up top we have our steering wheel with our cruise control settings on the left hand side, your automatic high beam controls, handle controls with your power locks, and your automatic window controls. Inside you'll find your radio and stereo controls to go alongside your volume scroll wheel here in the middle. And of course, you have your backup camera inside the mirror when put into reverse. Checking out the exterior, of course, we have our GMC badge in the middle of our black grille. Making our way along the side here, we have our black accent side mirrors. You'll find your gas tank here on the left-hand side. Making our way to the back. Plenty of space inside here. And of course, if you continue, we have doors on the right-hand side of the vehicle here. On the passenger side, if we open these up again, another access point to get into. And again, lights up top, plenty of storage and space inside. And that is our 2024 GMC Savana van. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team as we're here to help with any questions you may have.